Every day, new code is deployed and new services are exposed. Modern web application attack surfaces have grown too large for manual vulnerability analysis to remain effective on its own. The industry standard for evaluating these sites is the OWASP Web Security Testing Guide. While its manual methodologies are precise, applying them across thousands of distinct endpoints is a slow and exhausting process. To solve this, WSTG Scan acts as a highly efficient, centralized framework specifically designed to fully automate these complex manual testing methodologies. We will deploy a vulnerable server, execute a full automated penetration test, and generate a final security report. These techniques must only be used in authorized, isolated testing environments. Ethical boundaries are the baseline of professional security research. Automation provides the only viable path to match the speed of modern digital infrastructure growth. We begin by using a Kali Linux terminal to deploy Hack Labs, a local vulnerable environment that allows us to safely test our tools without risking live systems. Once the lab is running, we launch the WSTG Scan Python script and target the specific IP address assigned to our local server. An unauthenticated scan only captures the public-facing shell of an application. Most critical data structures and internal infrastructure reside beneath the surface, accessible only behind a login screen. To bypass this limitation, we configure the scanner with the application's login URL and administrative credentials, simulating a compromised internal account or an insider threat. Simulating an authenticated user allows the scanner to evaluate the logic flaws and data structures that are hidden from the public internet. We initiate the full penetration testing module to begin the automated discovery and exploitation phase. WSTG Scan functions as a command hub that orchestrates multiple specialized subtools, such as Nuclei and Fufu, at the same time. During reconnaissance, the system identifies the server architecture, detects the Python version, and catalogs the allowed HTTP methods. The discovery phase then uses directory fuzzing to map hundreds of hidden URLs, creating a complete directory of the target structure. After mapping the site, the tool identifies every input form and systematically tests them with cross-site scripting and SQL injection payloads. This synchronized workflow mimics a team of human specialists working in parallel, significantly reducing the time required for a comprehensive audit. After identifying exposed user emails, the scanner initializes a brute force module to attempt to crack their passwords. For precision, we provide the scanner with the exact error message from a failed login attempt, allowing the brute forcer to distinguish between a wrong password and a successful entry. The brute force module successfully compromises the accounts, providing a table of valid credentials that grant direct access to the system. Among the findings, the scanner highlights an exposed Git configuration file. This vulnerability allows an attacker to download the application's original source code, creating a severe risk of further exploitation. An automated audit provides the data, but the analyst must still isolate the most exploitable risks from the surrounding noise. In a real-world scenario, a developer would now secure the exposed directory and apply the necessary security headers. We then run a rescan to verify that the developer's patch was successful and the vulnerability is gone. The final step is exporting these findings into structured HTML and Markdown reports, ensuring the data is ready for professional documentation. These automated reports provide the necessary bridge between offensive testing and defensive remediation. In minutes, we have completed a comprehensive security audit and generated a report that would otherwise take days to compile manually. Integrating security testing into a single command allows for a continuous DevSecOps cycle where vulnerabilities are identified as code is written. While automation provides massive scale, it serves to focus human expertise on complex business logic rather than basic reconnaissance. Subscribe for more cybersecurity research, comment with the topics you want to see next, and explore our playlist for hands-on penetration testing labs. Executing a single tool is only the beginning. The real value of an automated framework is the ability to maintain rigorous security standards across an entire organization's attack surface.